Alright, I'm gonna try to make a video to show you guys. Shit, see if you can fold that right there. The LS2 recently developed a knock that seems to be getting worse. But as you can see, to me it looks like brass or copper or whatever these bearings are made of. See, it's all in there. This was the first batch we dug out just by pouring it out of when I pulled the filter out. There's a good side. There's a picker right there if you're into gold. Of course, I don't think this shit's very funny. But these are pretty much the biggest pieces. That's the tip of a ballpoint pen. So that was the first batch. This is what came out in a coffee filter. And of course, like I said, these are just the big pieces there that you can see, but the carburetor brake cleaner looks like metal flake paint in a clear can in the sun. There's a couple more chunks, and I know there's a acceptable amount of this stuff in your oil, but this is way too much, I think. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna yeah. No, that junk is just filter material. So there's tons of that in there. And then here, see if you can hold it. Maybe it'll stay right there. Let's extend that out some more. Will it stay? And this is a magnetic pickup tool with a crap load of metallic stuff stuck to it. So a bunch of it. So it's got metal in it as well. There we go. So that's metal. So, what do you guys think? roller, a roller camshaft problem, or connecting rod, or main bearing. I'm going with connecting rod bearing.
Bearings.
Yep. Probably. Just my fucking luck. It gets louder and goes away at about 2700, 2800 RPM. But it's definitely got a spot in there where it knocks pretty loud. Not super loud, but you can hear it from inside the cab. And then it goes away at about 3000. So, but all this crap is metal that the magnetic thing picked up. So, let me know what you guys think.